How to add a cleaning fee in Airbnb. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how you can add a cleaning fee to Airbnb, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are mixed feelings of many hosts whether to have a cleaning fee on their listing or not. Some hosts add a cleaning fee in their listing while others build it into the price. And this is how you can add a cleaning fee onto your listing. Now, first of all, if you do not have the option to add a cleaning fee, you will need to publish your listing first and then the option will be available. I recommend to publish your listing and then quickly unlist it so that you can get the full editing options for your listing. Now, first, just log into the Airbnb website and then click on the host option from the top right, and when you hover your mouse icon over it, choose the option called manage listings, and from the choices, just select the listing that you wish to actually add a cleaning fee to, and then choose the pricing option and then go to extra charges section and then choose the option called edit. Once you do that, go to the cleaning fee section and then enter the cleaning fee, followed by selecting the save button, which is at the very bottom of the screen. And that's all it takes to go ahead and simply add a cleaning fee to your Airbnb listing. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.